If you are in love with granulating colors and you're not sure how to use them other than rocks or trees or most obvious textured subjects, this is something that I've been experimenting with, and I think it's going to work beautifully for water. And these are the White Nights Broom series, the Dream series, and the Mystery series. And they're highly granulating and absolutely beautiful. This is Petal Shadow by Jackman, and it's also a beautiful, beautiful mix. But as you can see, you can mix beautiful water with, this is Blue Dream, Mint Dream, and Green Mystery. This is a beautiful forest mixture with Forest Broom, Mountain Broom, and Green Dream. This is just a burnt umber mix I make myself out of PO48 and Payne's Gray. But this is what's really interesting to me. Beautiful morning skies using Rose Dream, Blue Dream, Morning Broom, and Evening Broom. And here is a moody sky using Petal Shadow, the Jackman's granulating paint. This is this gorgeous sunset. And this we use the Evening Broom, the Morning Broom, and a little bit of the Blue Mystery in here. And this is absolutely beautiful, beautiful sunset. That Evening Broom gives you this beautiful pinky color. So you can use these. Let me just show you the actual paints themselves. So here you have Rose Dream, and I'm not, you know, a big fan of White Nights, but I do really like their granulating paints, this series anyway. This is the Rose Dream, the Morning Broom, the Forest Broom, the Blue Dream, the Evening Broom, the Green Dream, Mint Dream. That was one we used in the water. Mountain Broom, which is just wonderful for lots of different things. Here's the Green Mystery that's great for seascapes. This is Kuretake down here, so not impressed with those, but I do really like these White Nights granulating paints for making these beautiful sunsets, and that's Jackman, of course. You can get Jackman's from Jerry's Artarama now. They're a UK company, but that's a beautiful combination. But lots of companies make these 3 pigment mixes. Da Vinci makes a beautiful one called Joyce's Mother Violet, which is very similar to this. So if you just look for these 3 pigment mixtures that granulate, you'll get a lot of variation in your colors. So I hope you found this helpful.